In this video, I will show you how to create Facebook group. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, go and open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this three line at the top right side. After you tap on this three line, now all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this group section, this groups. So after you open this group section, all you have to do now, tap on this plus icon at the top. After you tap on this plus icon, as you can see now, scroll all the way to down and tap on this create a group. Now as you can see now, type a group name. So I'll type my group name. Here is my group name, groups chat. So after you type in group name, tap on this section to select your privacy of your group. So as you can see now, is your group public or private? So for me, I'll just go with public group. So tap on this dot button. After you finish creating your group, tap on this create button. So as you can see now, it says the group name is already exists. So I'll just type another name. So type in this create. So as you can see now, my group has been created. Now it take me to an option why I can be able now to invite people to my group. So if you want to invite people now, all you have to do now, go and just invite your friends to your group, as you can see now. So all you have to do now, go and tap on this invite button. So after you finish inviting your group, all you have to do, all you have to do now, tap on this next button. So after tap on this close button, tap on this confirm. So as you can see now, if I tap on this back arrow, after I tap on this your group. So as you can see now, in this session now, here is my group that I created just now. As you can see, here is the group now. Now all I have to do now, I'll just show you how to add information to your group. So tap on the group now. After you open the group, as you can see now, the first thing to do is now go and change the cover photo of the group. As you can see, here is the cover photo. So tap on this edit icon to change the cover photo. So now you can go and upload a cover photo from your phone. So I'll just go and search a cover photo random on my phone. So I'll just go with this one. After you select the cover photo, all you have to do now, tap on this save button. So now it's uploading my cover photo. I'll just wait it to finish uploading. So if the cover photo is matched to my Facebook, it will just this. As you can see now, it changed my cover photo on my Facebook group. So the next thing is, if you want to add members on your group, all you have to do now, tap on this icon, this one, this invite button. So by tapping on this invite button, as you can see now it will give you an option to invite people to your Facebook group. As you can see, you can just invite people to a Facebook group. So everyone who is using Facebook, you can be able now to see him here, or you can search the person name in this search bar. Just search a specific person and invite him to your group. So after you tap the person name, tap on this invite button. So the invitation will be sent to him, and if the person accepts the invitation, so he will be your member of your group. After you finish inviting people, tap on this dot button. So go back. So as you can see now, here is how to create a Facebook group and how to add member to your Facebook group. Hope this video helps you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.